Okay, it's been a while. We are going to try baking these trout. We've baked other fish, but we're going to bake these trout to be a little health conscious. Patting the fish semi-dry, getting all the excess moisture off. Got a pan covered in aluminum foil.
So it doesn't stick.
Spray it with Pam or anything else you want to put on there.
We're gonna
Coat the inside of the fish.
put the seasoning. And we're gonna put hand butter in there. And what do I want?
So a pat of butter and a lemon wedge. Put a toothpick through there and hold it all together until, of course, the butter melts. And this is real butter too, right?
Yeah.
The expensive stuff at the store.
And
That's better for you anyway, so.
yeah, we're gonna try it this way and see.
Alrighty.
Never had to really deal with the bones, but this time.
Yeah, because usually you go ahead and debone everything, but now we're going to deal with the bones. Should we have the emergency room on speed dial?
I've gotten a bone stuck in my throat once.
Yeah. You know, when I was a kid, I watched somebody, they got a bone stuck in their throat, and man, they went crazy. But he got it out.
I'll try this and see.
Okay.
Make sure. Get a lot of the moisture.
Now, any excess fish you don't eat, you can just put them in the refrigerator, eat them at some future time. Like late at night, early in the morning, next day. How many fish do we have here?
I think we have 8.
Okay, 8 fish. Oh, poor fishies. All right. Interesting.
This is just new. This is something I just figured I'd just try.
Okay, well, trying something new. Nothing wrong with that. There's usually 100 different ways to do something anyway. Okay.
We're gonna do
Okay.
keeping the head on and everything.
Here's the 8th fish. We could get out our fancy red dishes, but nah, we're going to stick with these old round ones. So that means then we have to switch everything around.
Okay, now we got.
Okay, now we have 8 fish.
Yes, we do.
Okay, now you're covering the trout with more lemon pepper seasoning. And there's a storm brewing outside. The thunder's going. There's always something going on in Colorado. Lately, anyway.
Now we'll just get pat of butter.
Okay, so now you're putting butter on top too, right?
Yeah.
Okay. These are the healthy fats. And again, if you don't feel like eating 2 fish, you just want to eat 1 fish, eat 1 fish and save the other one for tomorrow, late at night, early in the morning for breakfast.
That one's pretty thick.
I'm crazy. I'll do it all. So, alrighty.
Pretty thick.
Pretty thick piece of butter. Well, it's going to melt and go
Plus
all
I got
over
butter
anyway.
inside, so.
Yeah.
Now we'll just put
Okay.
lemon wedge on each one.
Lemon wedges on them. It's a different recipe, different way to cook it. But why not? Why not?
All right. It's all ready to.
So now what will you do?
Just cover them up.
Just cover it up with foil and put it in an oven, preheated oven to what temperature?
I have it at 400.
You have it at 400 degrees and you cook it until it's done, which approximately
20 to 25 minutes.
20 to 25 minutes. Depends upon how well you want your fish to be cooked. Fish do not take long to cook. These are clean fish too. I don't see any parasites or anything like that. Of course, according to the state of Colorado, you have to worry about the toxin levels in the fish and not supposed to eat any more than, what is it, 8 ounces per week of fish? All right. Just place it in there and we'll see you in about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Pull it out and check it. All right, so it's done. We got everything out of the oven. It's been in there for how long?
About 25 minutes.
About 25 minutes. All right. Well, there it is.
We're done.
Looks good. We baked it with its head on. Ooh, it looks good. Shoot.
Pretty tender.
Is it real tender? How do you tell with the fork?
Well,
It just pulls.
you can poke it right through.
It
Usually
pokes.
If it's raw, it's
Yeah, okay. Just pokes in easy, pulls out easy. We'll let it go at that.
There we go.
All right, that looks good. Okay, go ahead and taste the piece if you don't mind, please, Chef. Chef Patricia. Okay.
Peels off the bone real easy.
Peels off the bone. Can't get it up. Is it hot?
Yeah.
Okay. How's it taste?
Really good trout.
Good. Good trout. Just got to be careful of the bones. Let me take it. I shall take a taste. Well, I gotta say that's pretty doggone good. There you have it. Something simple, easy to do, and it's healthy. Again, nothing's perfect, but when you're hungry, you eat. Thank you very much for watching.